Hi there folks, Colin here again from Robert Smail's printing works in the Scottish Borders, cared for by the National Trust for Scotland. Today we're exploring the origins of one of Scotland's most cherished traditions, Hogmanay. Hogmanay is Scotland's word for New Year's Eve, but is much more than just a date on the calendar. While other countries celebrate the turn of the year, Scotland has its own deep-rooted customs, from bonfires and music to the iconic singing of Auld Lang Syne, penned by our very own Robert Burns. The origins of the word Hogmanay are debated, but it likely stems from the Norman French O Guy Nani, meaning end of year gifts, reflecting Scotland's rich cultural ties with mainland Europe. Before the Protestant Reformation in 1560, Christmas in Scotland had been a religious feasting day. Then, with the powerful Kirk frowning upon anything related to Roman Catholicism, the Scottish Parliament passed a law in 1640 that made celebrating Christmas illegal. It wasn't until 1958 that the 25th of December became a Scottish public holiday. So, historically, Scots poured all their festive energy into New Year, and Hogmanay became even more important than Christmas here in Scotland. So we'll link this up. Roll it under. Give it a press. Let's see what we end up with. So, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time, folks.